Welcome to Keurig quality at our most welcoming price. Introducing the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. Exceptional coffee, exceptionally affordable. Enjoy the rich, full-flavored taste of your favorite brands and varieties. All fresh brewed in minutes at the touch of a button. Choose from hundreds of KCupPod varieties. Or brew your own ground coffee with the Keurig K-Cup. Want a bolder brew? Use the Strong button for a more intense coffee taste in your daily cup. And the modern, streamlined design makes a big impression in any kitchen. The Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. It's everything you love about Keurig at one incredible price.